it's been a clean minute since I made a video. But I have a tip for you guys. And it goes a little bit something like... Ladies, let me ask you a question. Do you know what's your favorite man's video game? If the answer is no, I think you need to recognize this because he does have a favorite game. If he's the type of boyfriend that plays the game all day or very seldomly plays the game, you need to pay attention. Ladies, you need to buy him that new Madden. I'm telling you, you buy him the new Madden, it's going to be awesome. I just can't explain it. I don't even play Madden. If my girl was to pop around and buy me Madden, I love her for life. So ladies, get to know what type of games do your man play. And when it comes out with a new copy, buy it for him before he even knows about it. Buy it for his birthday, buy it for Christmas. Buy it just because you love it. And I guarantee your relationship will be a little bit better because he's going to be like, you bought me the new Madden, baby? I love you. I love you. So, for the fellas that's watching this, you're welcome. And as always, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. If you like this video, If you have any comments, leave the comments below. And we have 2 more episodes to go. And we're going to wrap this thing up. Until then, y'all keep it spicy, my friends.